Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that affiliate token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, affiliate is a decentralized finance DeFi protocol that functions as a unified liquidity layer, seamlessly integrating lending, borrowing, and trading into a single capital efficient system. Unified liquidity core. It connects isolated financial services lending desks through a shared liquidity pool, allowing assets to serve multiple functions simultaneously. Innovative architecture. Its smart collateral and smart debt mechanism let user earn fees from borrowed assets and achieve high leverage, particularly on stable assets. Cross-chain and security focus. It operates across Ethereum, Solana, and BNB chain with a strong emphasis on security, claiming zero losses of users' funds since inspection. Fleet project institution rating is 4.4. Fleet token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 77.94 million Fleet token. Fleet token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, OKX, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.